is on fire.
All right, fool. Oh, knock on the door again. A little harder this time. That was so gentle.
I'm not the fucking police. And they definitely not gonna answer.
We the air conditioning, the police. Hey, we heard your AC's not working. All right, first issue we got here. The tenants are saying that the system is not cooling; it's just staying in heat mode whenever they put it to cool. Off rip, that is some fairly cold air coming off the top. So let's verify that the reversing valve has voltage going to it. It's a Goodman. The reversing valve is going to be energized. And oh, what did you just do? I just heard a click.
Just pull the wire.
Pull it again. Pull all the wires out.
This is yellow right here.
Tighten up all the wire nuts. Very tight. Alright. There. Should be energized. Oh, no, since it's a Goodman. Oh, bro, what the? Oh. It's supposed to be energized in cooling. So the O wire is what will energize it in cooling. So I'm hoping the thermostat didn't just take a crap. It's 5.2. Huh. It's weird. Check the wire nut off. Why? Yep.
Don't you hate just when wire nuts retight when you go the other way?
Pretty much.
5.1.
Why is everything reading 5.1? Check check to the actual ground rod. Let's just see that. 2.3, 2.2. What the fuck is going on? This is ridiculous. For testing purposes, I have a jumper from R to O right here just to energize the reversing valve. They put this temperature probe up on the top. If I don't drop it, Butterfinger having it. Put that up there. And then hand me a screwdriver so I can push in the contactor. Thank you. Push this in. The contactor's got some arc damage, it looks like. The plastic is white, but I don't know. See if that temperature's right. Just might have a bad reversing valve on this. We just might. I gotta think. Could probably test. I don't know. Might be able to test to see if the solenoid is bad for it. Could be just a solenoid issue. But I'm hearing the click, so I don't think it is. I think it's just stuck. SC start capacitor, reverse valve coil, black and black, so ORV and CRV. Let me take those wires off. Control board. Undo this. I want high voltage.
Now that's a disconnect.
this to ohms. One here. And one here. 14.5, 14.6. All right. So we could go ahead and take the top off of this and start tapping the side of the reversing valve with a wrench or something and see if that frees it up. I'm not gonna do that right now because we found another issue that I'm gonna make property management aware of. The dog has been eating this coil up, not literally, but with his urine. So I'm gonna let them be aware, like, hey, we could either go ahead and replace the reversing valve and be done with this, you know, fill it back up with refrigerant and be good, or we can go ahead and swap out this whole condenser because that coil is going to end up needing to be replaced soon. I've had to replace like 3 condensers with this type of issue in the past year. So I'm just going to let them be aware of that, and we will go from there. And we'll head to the next one. You ready for this no heat call? You wasn't camera ready, huh? You rolling with me, bro. You gotta be ready for the camera.
I don't get the bucket yet.
Let's find the furnace. In the closet. Alright. Old temp star.
What the fuck? This is bold.
That's atrocious. Man. Alright, let's, I guess, cut it on in heat mode and see why it's not heating. Thermostat over here. It should be on right now, bruh. I swear. I swear. No, wait. It's a switch right here. You want to see if that cut it on?
Flame sensor's clean. Oh, not really clean, but not really dirty as hell.
Turn your light on. Is it giving a flash code? Oh shoot, we just cut the power onto it. Alright, so.
Nope, no flash code.
No, it's doing this little heartbeat thing. When you put power on these, you gotta wait
A certain amount of time.
yeah, like it's like a 90 second. I tried to read the thing while trying to talk about it on camera. But pretty much this will run the fan motor for I think like 60 to 90 seconds and then it'll restart whatever sequence it's in. Because if you already have it on the thermostat calling for something and then you cut the power on, it'll do that.
Okay.
So we gotta wait now. The inducer motor is running. It's gonna pull in that pressure switch, hopefully. Now let the board note and then turn on the hot surface igniter in the back there. Should start glowing orange very soon. Oh, there we go. Another one of those easy calls, but we need to make sure that this isn't going to trip out on limit. Let's double check this filter real quick. Make sure that it's clean. Yeah.
Nothing we can do to prevent this from going on.
Only you can prevent limit switches tripping. Go ahead and get my probes up in the duct out my bag so we can start taking Delta T. Let's see. Oh!
Your little wind tester.
Yeah. Grab the anemometer. Take some measurements.
Yes.
Furthest vent on one side of the house. Oh, I need to put this to average. It's not bad. Looking around the low 400s, I'd say, for this. But is this a 6-inch or an 8-inch? That is a 6 for sure, all day, every day. So let's see if another 6-inch has fairly close or more feet per minute coming out of it. That's another 6. And the wind and air's directing this way, so. This one's got less air. Another 6. This one's pushing just around 300. Let's go to the complete further. That was just right there in the living room, and the furnace is right there. So let's check. This would be considered the master bedroom because it's got the little bathroom in there. My God. It's got great flow. Another 6. Oh, man. Oh, another 6. That's crazy. What about this one? This is just a regular bedroom. My God. Already doing better. So. Oh, what the heck? Some insulation got blown through here. I wonder.
What'd you say?
Said some insulation got blown through there. But, all right, gotta cut the camera so I can check out the Delta T on this and see if its BTU rating is getting close to what it is here. Busted out the label maker. Furnace / AC power. Now, obviously, all the techs know is literally just to. This was just to let the tenants know to pretty much not touch this. Obviously, the air conditioner, condenser, whatever's on the outside, furnace is in here. But to them, if I just label this furnace AC, people will be dumb enough to cut this off during the wintertime or during the summertime, thinking that, oh, I don't need the furnace, I'm only needing the air conditioner. So just labeled it to let them know to just leave that on. So I'm gonna pack this up and go on to the next one. It's like 73 degrees out. I'm tired of doing no heat calls, but we got another one. Let's see why this one ain't working. So we have a Nest thermostat on the wall. I'm gonna go through and make sure that it's set up correctly. It is a Rheem heat pump split system. I'm just gonna make sure that it's set up for a heat pump. Heat, cool, heat pump, auxiliary heat, boom. Cool. I guess technically. Forced type. Wait a minute. It's set up correct. Let's go ahead and test heat pump heating. Let's go ahead and wait. Indoor fan is running, but we got nothing at the condenser. Oh, it's in the forest. Quanky, mate. Oh, it cut on. Oh, all these spider webs out here. blowing cold air. Huh. It's dirty? Let's see. Let's see what we got here. It's more so just aging than it is actually dirty. But yeah, the part on that side is probably slap dirty. But oh, and my bag is not on top of the fan motor. Gotta remember to not cover the fan motor. Oh, dude, there's a dead lizard in the capacitor.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, the Geico bro is gone.
It's not bad.
It's really not. But this thing hasn't been maintained in God knows how long. There's a spigot right here. Let's go ahead and just clean this.
Yay!
I know you've been dying to clean something all damn day. Pull the disconnect. I'm gonna go inside and shut the furnace down.
Damn.
Oh, okay, Hulk man strong. Go ahead, grab the stuff. I'm gonna be right back. Well, unfortunately, there's no water on this property, but it's owned by the same people that own that house over there. Crappy part is they've been paying their water bill over here, but not over here. So instead of using the spigot next to the unit, Jacob has to use that spigot way over there and run it all the way over here. Is it being a pain in the butt? Well, you have transformed that thing. Good damn job, son. Good damn job. Oh, yeah. I feel like we haven't done much of anything at all today.
Did it clean?
I'm not counting that.
This shit was nasty and dirty looking.
I want to figure out a problem.
You did.
What? That it needed to be clean?
Nah. The other house you just said.
Oh, I didn't
Flame
record.
sensor.
I didn't
Oh,
record that one.
yeah.
Even that one, it still didn't make no
He
sense
did
to
a
me.
good job. He fixed it. He made it run.
That didn't make no sense to me. That one was stupid. And that's just one of them ones where it's like, it's so old, it's given a stupid problem that, hey, it's probably going to do this stupid thing again, might as well just replace it. But
Nope, we don't want to replace it.
I feel like we're just maintenance people sometimes.
We are. We pretty much are.
This sucks. This sucks. On to the next one, though. Well, couldn't even do the last service call because the tenant wasn't there, even though they agreed to the, a set time frame, and we tried to call. She didn't pick up, so that's it for today. Oh man, I gotta go get this boy for the words of wisdom. Hold on. Words of wisdom.
Flint Lockwood.